triangle XYZ shown below. Angle X is equal to 51 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 67 degrees, and YZ is equal to 15.2 centimeters. Solve the triangle and find its area. So we have triangle X, Y, and then Z, with the angle on Y to be 67 degrees, and then the angle at point X is what, 51 degrees. The side YZ, that is X, is equal to what, 15.2 centimeters. Okay, so let's name the side XZ to be Y, and then XY also to be what, Z. So the side XZ is what, Y, and then the side XY is what, Z. Then the side YZ is also what, X, and it's what, 15.2 centimeters. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's solve the triangle. Okay, but before we do that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the videos. Okay, all right, thank you very much. So we are going to use the sine rule to solve this question. We are going to use the sine rule to solve this question, and the sine rule states that x over sine x is equal to y over sine y is equal to what, z over sine z. X over sine x is equal to y over sine y is equal to z over sine z. I hope you understand. I want you to take note of this before we move on with the solution. Okay, so let's move on with the solution now. So z is equal to 180 minus 51 minus 67. Why? Because all the angles in the triangle adds up to be what, 180. So to solve for the angle at point Z, we subtract 51 and then 67 from 180, okay, to get the angle at point Z. So that is what we have here. So Z is equal to what, 180 minus 51 minus 67, and that is going to give us what, 62 degrees. So the angle at point Z is what, 62 degrees. I hope you are following it. Okay, so let's apply the sine rule now to solve the question. So we have 15.2 over sine 51 degrees equals y over sine 67 degrees equals z over sine 62 degrees. Okay, so 15.2 is the side x, okay, x, so it's x over sine 51 degrees. 51 degrees is the angle at point x, so sine x. Okay, so 15.2 over sine x, sine 51 degrees equals y over sine 67 degrees. 67 degrees is the angle at point y, so y over sine y equals z over sine 62 degrees. 62 degrees is the angle at point z, so z over sine z. So from the sine rule, x over sine x equals y over sine y equals z over sine z. So that is what we have here. 15.2 is what, x over sine 51 degrees equals y over sine 67 degrees equals z over sine 62 degrees. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's take 15.2 over sine 51 degrees equals y over sine 67 degrees. Okay, so that we can find y. I hope you are following it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, so to find y, we can use change of subject to find y. So by change of subject, y is equal to what? 15.2 times sine 67 degrees over sine 51 degrees. and that is going to give us what? 18 centimeters. Okay, so therefore y is what? 18 centimeters. The side y is what? 18 centimeters. I hope you are following the calculation. All right, so by applying the sine rule again, we can take 15.2 over sine 51 degrees equals z over sine 62 degrees, so that we can find the side z. Okay, so by change of subject, z is equal to what? 15.2 times sine 62 degrees over sine 51 degrees, and that is also going to give us what? 17.27 centimeters. So z, side z, now is equal to what? 17.27 centimeters. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's move on to solve for the area. So to solve for the area of the triangle XYZ, we use the formula 1 over 2 multiplying x multiplying y multiplying sine z. So x, the small x is the side, and then the small y is the side. Okay, the side. So half times x times y times sine z. So let's insert the values. So we have half times 15.2, which is what? X. X is equal to what? 15.2 times y. Y is what? 18. So 15.2 times 18 times sine 62 degrees. The angle on z is what? 62 degrees. So sine z is sine 62 degrees. I hope you understand. So we have half multiplying 15.2 times 18 times, now sine 62 degrees is what? 0.88. 0.88. Sine 62 degrees is 0.88. So we have half multiplying 15.2 multiplying 18 multiplying 0.88, and that is going to give us what? 120.3 centimeters square. So the area of the triangle XYZ is equal to what? 120.3 centimeters square. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please make sure you will always subscribe to my channel. Thank you.